Today in this video, we'll show you how to make soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. We should preheat the air fryer first, 400 degrees, and then for 12 minutes, and then start. And so right now it's preheating the air fryer, so we're just gonna wait until the air fryer preheats, and then once it's preheated, we'll put in the egg for 400 degrees and 12 minutes. We'll be right back. The air fryer has been preheated. Now we're just gonna put in the egg. And we'll be back. Alright, it's been 12 minutes. Let's see how the hard-boiled egg looks. So there you have it. That's a hard-boiled egg from an air fryer. Now let's do the medium boiled eggs at 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And at 10 minutes. Start. So we'll just wait until it fully preheats again. The air fryer has been preheated again. And now we can put in the egg. For 400 degrees and 10 minutes for medium boiled. And we'll be back again. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. And now let's take a look at the medium boiled eggs. Ooh, it's really hot. There you go. Medium boiled. Now we're going to make sure that it's preheated again, but this time we're going to set it at 8 minutes. At 400 degrees at 8 minutes. And start. And we're going to come back and we'll just let it preheat again. The air fryer has been preheated again, and now we're going to put in the egg. And we'll be back. It's been 8 minutes for the soft boiled eggs. Let's take a look at it. Let's open this up. So there you have it. So we have hard on the left, medium, and then soft. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really easy to make. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.